Oh, magtatang tayo. Ipupush mo ng dila ito, ha? Oh, Oh, push. Push. I-move ni mami, then push it, ha? Push. Sige pa. 1, 2, push pa. 3. Push more. Tulak, tulak. 4. Pag minove ni mami to, magko-contrast tayo, maglalabanan tayo. Okay? Fight, fight tayo. Okay? Mami is stick. You are a tang. Okay? Fight. Okay. Ready? Fight. 1. Fight. Move. Push, push. 2. 3. Sige, push pa. 4. 5. 6. Ito ah. One more. Push. 7. 8. Sige pa, push. 9. 10. Okay, kabila naman. Push ulit ah. Go. Fight. 1. Sige, push. 2. 3. Yan. Sige, push mo. Mas malakas. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Very good. O, taas naman. O, taas mo. Reach mo to. 1. Reach mo. Reach. Touch it. Touch it. 2. 3. Touch. Touch mo. 4. Huwag mo itouch. Itaas yung ulo. Yung tang lang itataas mo. Ayan. 5. O. Touch. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. O, one more. Sa baba. Sige. Labas mo. Tang out. Tang out. 1. 2. 3. Sige. Tang out. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. O, one more. Push. Last one. Pupush ha. Fight tayo. Kiel's tang versus Mommy's stick ha. Let's fight. Ready? Cover your mouth. Ready? Fight tayo ha, Leslie. Ready? Set. Go. Push. 1. 2. Sige, push mo. 3. Push mo. 4. 5. 6. Push mo pa, stick. Push. 7. 8. Push mo to, push. 9. Ayan, sige, sige. Laban tayo, push mo. I will push your tongue, push the stick, okay? Ready, go. 1. Yan, go. 2. Very good. 3. 4. 5. Push more. 6. 7. Yan, very good. 8. Push pa. 9. 10. Kabila naman. Wait. Wala pang ready, set, go. 1. 2. Yan, sige, go. 3. 4. Yun, malakas. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Exercise tayo ng tang. Tang out. Tang out. More tang out.
Mami, dot tang.
Oo, dudut kita.
Mami.
Ay, do not dudut, mami. Tang out more. Tang out more. Reach that stick. Sige. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last one. Up. Up, up. Up. First up. 1, 2. Up. Touch. Touch this one. 3, 4. Up mo lang. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you do this? Up. Up. Touch the nose. Try to touch your nose.
Hindi.
Ito. Taas mo. Yan. Go. Ito.
Hindi. Oo.
Sige. Last one. Yan. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Touch mo to. Touch mo. Push mo na nga. Hindi, sa loob. Push mo pa. Push. Yan, push mo. Sige, push mo. Push mo to. Sige, push mo to. Ito. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The other. Push mo to. Sa loob. Push mo. Push. To. 1. Push pa. 2, 3. Ikab. Go. Push. This one. 3 na. 1 ba? 4. Ito. 5. This one. Gilid na gilid. Yan. 6. 7. Touch mo to. Ito. Sige. 7, 8, 9, 10. Tongue out. Ganon, like this. Tongue out. Touch this one. Touch. 1. Dito. 2. Very good. 3, 4, 5. Touch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Touch. 9, 10. Next, up. No, touch this one. Ganun. Yan. 1, 2. Sige, 4 more. 3, 4. Touch more. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pa lang. 9, 10. Ganito. Sa loob naman. Put. Ayan. Sa loob. Loob ng teeth. Ayan. Dito. Ayan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sige. 6. 7. Very good. 8, 9, 10. Bilog naman. Sa loob. Sa loob ng teeth. Look at the teeth. Ayan. 1. Ay, sa baba. Smile. Smile. Open. Ito po. You can do it. Ayan. Yan. Okay, good job. 1. Very good. 2. Yan. 3. Push mo yung teeth. 4. Yan. 5. Good job. 6. 7. Ulit. Yan. Very good. 8. 9. 10. Okay, let's make a sentence. Mommy first, ha? I will teach you first. This is I like to do. Look at here. I like to do. Can you say?
I like do.
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 I like to
I
do.
like to do.
Yan. Tapos you will say the numbers here, ha? Okay? And then here, pictures here, you will tell me if it is small or big. This is small. Big, big, big. Tapos sasabihin mo yung color first. This is orange, yellow, pink, brown, blue, green. This is ball, this is banana, this is ice cream, this is cookies, this is house, this is burger. Okay. Let's try.
I like do. 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 Ba. A. Lo.
Ay, is it small or big first?
Big. Ba. A. Lo. Banana.
Okay. Next.
I like to. Oh.
Do.
To.
Again.
I like do. Oh.
Do.
To.
Again. Pakinggan mo yung D.
I like to. To.
Do. Very good.
Number 4.
4 only. Do not say number.
4. Mall.
Is small.
Is mall. O. And ball.
Very good. Next.
I want. I like do. Bike. O. Big. Bound. O. E.
Ko.
Go. E.
Very good. Next.
I like to. D.
3.
Bird. Mall. Bird.
Is.
Eat. Mall. Bird. Ball. I think.
Very good. Next.
I like do. The mall.
Is.
Eat mall. Boo. House.
Good job.
I want. I like do. Perfect.
I do not say the number 5 again.
I like to. Oh. Do. 5. Big. Burger. Burger.
Good job.